Assalamualaikum class 1 students, how are you all? I hope you are very well at your homes and doing your work in a proper way. Now this is the new topic of English grammar book. Take out your English grammar book and open page number 84 of your book. Write down the date on the top of the page and we will start the punctuations. Okay, what are punctuations? Punctuations are used to complete any sentence, whether the sentence is a simple sentence, is a question sentence, the full stop, the question mark, the comma. These all are known as the punctuations. Okay, whenever we ask any question, there is a question, we write the question mark in the end of the question, and the simple sentence will end on the full stop. So here is an exercise on page number 84. Write down the date on the top of the page. Use a color pencil to place a full stop or a question mark at the end of these sentences. Here are some of the sentences, and in each sentence either the question mark will be written or the full stop. Okay, question mark and full stop will be written at the end of the sentence. Now blank number 1 is, what is she planning? What, when, how, where. These all are the, where are you going, what's your name, how are you doing, or how are you. So these all are the questions. So in the end of these questions you will write the question mark. So you will write the question mark here. Okay, now number 2 is, the Brown family went for a picnic. Okay, now this, in this sentence there is no question. Okay, this is a simple sentence, so you will write for simple full stop here. Number 3 is, will you take a small present for me? Will मतलब he or she is asking a question कि क्या आप मेरे लिए present ले सकते हैं. So it's a question, you will write the question mark. Number 4, the children went to the pet shop. This is a simple sentence, you will write the full stop here. So you, in this way you have to complete this page number 84. Now turn the page to page number 85. Write down the date on the page. Here is another exercise. Put in a question mark or a full stop. Either you have to write the question mark or a full stop. Number 1, how old are you? Asking a question, so you have to write the question mark. Number 2, the bin is next to the desk. Okay, you will write the full stop. Number 3, can a frog fly? क्या frog fly कर सकता है? It's a question, so you will write the question mark here. Number 4, does an elephant have a trunk? Okay, this is also a question. And number 5, please shut the door. Okay, so this is not a question, a simple sentence, you will write the full stop here. Now exercise B, write a sentence what needs a question mark. Okay, कोई एक ऐसा sentence आपने लिखना है in your own that needs a question mark. In the end of that you have to write the question mark, then write the answer of that question. Okay, I have written this question for as an example. If you will write any question from your mind, it's very good, you can write any other question. I have simply written, what is your name, question mark, and answer is, my name is dash. Okay, आप कोई भी अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं, and the end of the answer you will write the full stop here. Okay, now turn the page to page number 86. Now capital letters and full stop. Now there is another punctuation are the punctuations where we use the capital letters. Okay, as we do in the classwork, I told you that wherever you write the first, when you're writing the question, starting the question, whenever you're writing the answer, starting the answer, you have to write in the capital words. Okay, and in the end you have to write the full stop. So here is a sentence number 1, robot was absent from school on Monday. Now here is robot R and Monday M. Robot R is a small letter. No, you have to write in the capital letters. Okay, and Monday M will be written in the capital letters because it's a pronoun. So I have written 2 examples here. Robot was absent from school on Monday. You have to rewrite these sentences in the blue line, and rewrite sentences in the blue line with the correct form. Either the full stop will be written or the capital letters. Okay, Now number 8, Mr. Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed's M will be capital and Ahmed's A will be capital. And number 10 is I went to America this summer. So will be the capital letter. America is a pronoun, you will be write in the capital letter, and summer is a season, you have to write in the capital letter. So this is the explanation of the capital letters and the full stop. Now turn the page on page number 87. Write down the date on the top of the page. Here is a passage. Okay, the passage of 3 to 4 lines is given to you, and this passage there is no punctuation giving, no question mark, no full stop, no comma, no capital letter. Now you have to rewrite in the blue lines, and you have to rewrite in a correct form. Where you have to use the capital letters, you will use the capital letters. Where you have to use the full stop, you will use the full stop. Okay, giant pandas, giant G will be capital and pandas P will be capital, are found in China. China C capital, and after the China the sentence is end, so you have to write the full stop there. And when you write the full stop in the paragraph, the next sentence will when the next sentence will be started, the first letter of the sentence will be in capital letters, as I have written they here. Okay, they live in cold places. The sentence is end, you have to write full stop. Now pandas eat bamboo leaves. Pandas P will be capital. Full stop के बाद जो first word है that will be in capital letters. Okay, so this is the explanation of the punctuation. I hope so you all have understood and done these pages in the book. Okay, for the next lecture, till then take care and Allah Hafiz.